Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my back to school stuff, and yes, I'm in a new setting. I'm on my big blue couch in my room and I love it. It's like for snuggling up and stuff, and yeah, so let's get right into the video. I don't want to get too caught up about my couch. Today we're going to be unboxing back to school stuff, and yeah, so I had to go online and buy this from Campion Education for my new school, and yeah, so this thing's really heavy, and yeah, so it came like this. It didn't come with the scissors, I just put them there, and Campion Education, this blue securing strap and information, everything, and yeah, so it's quite small, like from the other video that I did, because there's less stuff, I guess, and cut. So I'm going to be starting year 4 this year in 2020, so I'm going back to school on February 3rd, so yeah. Where do I start? Wait one sec, guys. Oh, okay, wait. So I guess I've just got to take this out. I don't know, I'm just giving it goes there. Okay, so I'm just going to try and take this out. I'm just going to cut it now, I don't care anymore. So, yeah. Wait, this is like really hard. Wait. Okay, so... wow, that was hard. And, yeah, we've got it. So, oh, whoa. Okay, I think I'm just going to open it up this much because I can already see all my school stuff there. So, yeah, so, okay. So, there's not any packing peanuts this year. And, there we go. There we go. So, first off, this thing just came out. It's, whiteboard markers and permanent markers, and all types of markers. So these are whiteboard markers right there, and wait, what? This is a fine liner, and this is the permanent marker. And there's lots of stuff actually. This is the paperwork for everything, and yeah, so it's got this pretty cool bit. You can see the light, you can see my fingers. That's actually pretty cool. I think you can see my fingers, I don't know. And so there's lots of stuff, like around here, all the stuff that I've ordered, and yeah, piece of cardboard. Okay, so this is just the display book, I guess. Yeah, clear display book for all the work I've done, so I can look back at it, or like teachers can as well. Another one of these, same, yep. Okay, another display book, like 3 of them. Oh, school books now. Okay, it's a scrapbook. 70-gram SM quality paper. Number 156. It looks pretty professional, like for a year 4 student. There's like times tables and everything. So there's like even like the metric prefixes and imperial system, units of measurements, conversion count. So yeah, there's addition table, multiplication table, and lots more actually. So yeah. Oh, there's more of them. Yeah, same book, 64 pages. These like really white. I've seen like some students have like really yellow pages. Like their pages are about like this color, but I've got this color, so I like the more white colors. So I'm gonna see if there's some like lined pages. No. Okay, so this one's. Oh, this is a grammar book. So this like we had these this year, like in year 3. We have like lots of these, and it's really cool. Like I like going through these because they're pretty fun and like educational as well, so I really like them. And also this red, why did I say red? Yellow folder, file folder, and I've got highlighters. So I've got green, orange, pink, and yellow. Yep. And what else? I've got markers. So there's like multicolors, everything, and yeah, so they all work. And yeah, wait, let me test them. It works. I hope it all works, because like when I get to school, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be in trouble, I guess. And yeah, also there's a sticker to just secure it. And these color pencils made from Columbia, like the brand I mean, Color Sketch, 12 color pencils, Acco brands. There's like lots of stuff. There's like lots of little details and everything. Yeah. Also, this is made from non-crumbling lead that is smooth and easy to sharpen. The range of color sketches available in up to 24 colors with a round barrel lead. Also available in full length and half length. The color sketch pencils are for ideal drawing, writing, and sketching. I don't think there's one for writing, but still. I guess it's for the other ones. Purple folders. Oh, what's this? I guess it's a sheet protector. So it's kind of like a display book, but like it's more of like a paper protecting thing. So yeah. Okay. So another one of those. And oh, so this is a math book. Wait. Oh, so we finally have these things. We used to have them in year 2. Like it was an actual math book with like lots of activities and stuff. But this year, this teacher does these math sheets, and like we have to copy it down on the blank book. And yeah, so another one of these. It's a student book and a tracker book. So the other one that I showed you just now is a tracker book, and this one's a student book. So I just saw that. Oh. So the robot's holding the piggy bank right there. Like next second, he's probably he smashed the piggy bank with a rubber mallet, and yeah. So whoa. Okay, here we go. So these are the books that I'm talking about. Yeah, these are lined books. These are the ones that I'm talking about. So like we rule up with another red line there, like we start writing and everything. So we have like lines for everything and stuff. So it's 48 pages as well, and it's like really cool. Like the texture is like really cool, and it's really sporty looking. I don't know why. It's supposed to be like in class, really calm work. Well, there's like lots of stuff as well, like timetables. Yeah, so everything. There's addition as well, and like lots of stuff. And it's Australian made. Australian made. And reference numbers and everything. Okay. Another one of these, and another one, and that's all. And it's really light now. Actually, I can lift it up with one hand, but if there was all of that in there, I would need all of, both of my hands, not all of my hands. All of my hands, these are, there's only 2 of them, so I guess I can say that. And that's the end of the video guys. My tongue's getting all over the place. So, see you guys, and see you in another video. Bye. Back to school.